The Annunciator Unit contains all the audio-visual alarms installed in it. Gyro Input-Output Error Alarm occurs when there is failure of gyro compass input for more than 2 seconds. Servo Loop Failure Alarm occurs when the rudder does not follow up the given rudder order and the difference is more than 5 degrees. When the difference between the gyro heading and the connected magnetic compass heading exceeds the preset value, off-course alarm is activated. When the difference between the set course and the actual heading is more than preset value, course deviation alarm is activated. When steering pump is switched off, the pump all rest alarm is activated. When the ship's speed is so low that the vessel is unable to steer, then the low speed alarm is activated. Heading monitor alarm is activated when there is a difference between the primary and secondary gyro input for more than specified limit.